If a column is too narrow to display the date, you will see hash in the cell. To manually adjust the column width, drag the boundary line between columns while holding left click. Similarly, to manually adjust the row height, drag the boundary line between rows while holding left click. To automatically resize single column to fit the data, double-click boundary between columns. The column will resize to fit the data. To automatically resize single row to fit the data, double-click boundary between rows. The row will resize to fit the data. To set rows to a specific height, select a row or a range of rows. On the Home tab, in the Cells group, select Format, select Row Height. Type the row height and select OK. Similarly, to set columns to a specific width, select a column or a range of columns. On the Home tab, in the Cells group, select Format, select Column Width. Type the column width and select OK. To automatically resize all columns and rows to fit the data, click the Select All button at the top of the worksheet. Double-click any boundary. All columns and rows will resize to fit the data.